So the colors for today are black, gold, and white. And I already did a gold with black for a previous look, so I'm gonna do white with gold. So I have my NYX Jumbo in white. Okay, so I'm using one of the previous white shadows I've used before. So last time I used this was with the yellow. I really hope it doesn't have like a yellow tint to it, but that's what I'm using. It's falling all over me. It was all broken up, so I kind of like crushed it. So I'm gonna go in with the Goldilocks.
That's a lie. My puns are puntastic.
Can I do my video?
They're really punderful puns.
Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to put a little bit of gold crayon on this because I'm not really getting the effect that I want.
I'm a punny guy.
Mm-hmm.
You better put in that stink eye, by the way. I want the whole world to see that stink eye you just gave me.
I'm trying to do my video, and you're over there making all of these things. It's going to be in there.
I just gave you 50 more likes. Okay?
Oh, yeah, I wish. I wish. Let's try that again.
Left my phone in the office.
So to give it a little bit more oomph, I'm just gonna do like a cut crease, nothing fantabulous, just blend in some black in there. Now I have the music in my head, Steven.
What?
Ding, 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 ding. Is that how it goes?
Yeah, that's the green dragons over there. Ding, 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 bitty, bee.
It also sounds like Lord of the Rings. Yes. Exactly. My son is an expert hurdy blogger. Just a little bit more white in there. No, it's not gonna be any silver. Let me see if I get a little bit of that white and just put it up here. This is the brush I've been using for the silver, so it might come out on that, but you know, our summer wasn't that bad. We had a pretty mild summer as far as humidity. Fall comes, and even though the temperature dropped, the humidity is horrible. Very frustrating. Putting a black line. And I'm gonna put false lashes, so I may have to go over this line again. Let's just see how this goes. Let's try and bring that up a little more. So I really need to empty out my camera. My camera cut off. I was just trying to fix this gold a little bit, and yeah, so let me just finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright, so everyone, this is the finished look. I just put some, just this on my cheek right here, and I put the gold as a highlighter instead of the silver, and the silver lipstick because my son explained to me, see, his mouth is still silver. I have another picture too. The gold looks different though. I'm not sure if this is man-made or whatever, but you know, as opposed to the official mask. But my son explained to me that the reason why his mask is different is because they use the Japanese footage to do it. And it was a different season, so the costumes were different, but they put this Power Ranger in the Mighty Morphin season of the Power Rangers, so that's why he looks different. So this had me a wee bit intimidated for doing my my mask today, but you know, it should be okay.